everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. And if you haven't already read by the title, today's video is going to be a yet another new makeup look. This makeup look is something that is totally universal. I wear this makeup look either if I'm wearing a lehenga or I'm wearing a ghagra choli or either a simple kurti. This is something that goes on to each and every outfit, and you can wear this makeup on basically any outfit that you are planning on wearing, and this is totally customizable. So this is basically my take on the look. You can customize it according to your liking, and yeah, I'm really excited to share the look with you guys. And all the products are drugstore products, so you don't have to worry about any high-end products and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to share the look with you guys, and if you want to know the look I am going to create, keep on watching. And without wasting any more time, so this is the eye look that we are going to be creating over here. So this is a very nice easy two-tone eyeshadow with a graphic classic liner. So I'm just going to start by using my Faces palette right over here. This is the only palette we are going to be using for the eye look today. So I'm just going to take this contour shade right over here, and I'm just gonna put this contour shade in my crease for my transition shade, just to give a little bit of depth to the eyes, nothing too much. So I'm just gonna put this color all over my crease, and it's okay if it's going to be rough, because we are anyways gonna blend it further. Once that's done, I'm gonna pick up this shade right over here, which is a highlighting shade with a nice flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna put this color starting from my inner corner and moving it outwards just on the 1/3 of my eye. I'm not taking it completely outside, I'm just stopping it right over here. Then I'm taking my brush and I'm just gonna blend the harsh edges away. And that's pretty much everything when it comes to the eyeshadow part. Now we will quickly move on to the liner. For liner, I'm using the new Eba Long Stay Liquid Eyeliner. This is not new, but it's new for me. I have not tried this liner before, so today was the first time that I've tried this liner. I'm kind of happy with it. So I'm just gonna create a wing like this. So yeah. Okay, so the liner is done. Now we will move on to the mascara. For that, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. It is very important when you're doing your makeup during festive season, or even if you're someone who has very oily skin. I would really suggest you products which are waterproof. That is one tip that I would like to give you as a professional makeup artist, is that always use products which are waterproof and which suits your skin, because you don't want to start an experiment during the festive season, because or else you'll have breakouts like this. So yeah. Okay, so the eyes are done, and I quickly moisturize and prime my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. And now we will quickly move on to the face. For face, I'm going to be using my K Beauty foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. If you know me for a while, you know how much I love this foundation. It's because it is a perfect coverage foundation. It is not that heavy, not too cakey, not too light. It's just the perfect coverage foundation that you need on your face for a festive season. So I'm just gonna blend this away using my foundation brush. And the shade, if you're wondering, I am using is in the shade 130Y medium. So if you're someone who is my shade, this is the shade you should go for, because it's a perfect match for your skin. So I'm just gonna blend this foundation away. After that, just for a little bit of highlighting, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10, and I'm just going to highlight my face using this concealer. It's basically underneath my eyes like so, in between my eyebrows, on bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. And I'm going to use my foundation brush for this, and I'm just going to blend it out. Nothing too much, and you can see how nice and natural my skin looks. That is how I like my skin to look when it comes to festive makeup or basically any makeup. So yeah. Okay, so we'll do my cream blush now. For that, I'm going to use a lipstick. Actually, this is again by Eba. This is the Eba lipstick in the shade Pink Nectar. So it's nice pinky dark pink shade. So I'm just going to put this as my blush like this, and I'm just going to blend it away with my brush. So basically it just gives a flush of color, a nice flush of color, which I like. It is kind of looking intense on the camera, I don't know why, but it's very 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 natural, you guys, trust me. To set everything in place, I'm just gonna use my K Beauty banana powder, and I'm just gonna set the face using this powder. Setting is also very very important. If you are applying so much of cream products, it is very important to set your face with a powder product, because or else your makeup would last very less and it'll start creasing as well. So I'm quickly going to contour and highlight my face using the Faces palette that we used earlier for the eyes. Nothing too intense and nothing too dramatic, just a little bit of contour just to give a nice definition to our face for great pictures that we're gonna click after this. So that's what I'm going to do. Moving on to highlighter, we are going to be taking this highlighter from the palette again, and I'm just gonna highlight my face using this, just basically where my high points are, which is my cheekbones and also my bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. And basically people have started highlighting the brow, matlab eyebrow ke upar. It's basically there where also the sun hits, and then I'm just gonna dust off the excess using my powder brush. Now to set everything in place, I'm just gonna spritz some MAC Fix Plus all over my face, like so our makeup lasts forever, not forever, but at least throughout. For lips, I'm gonna be using this gorgeous shade from Lakme. This is the Lakme 304 Brazilian Caramel, if I'm pronouncing it right. Actually, I got a free parcel for this when I ordered like a lot of stuff from Nykaa, from the brand Lakme, so I got a free lipstick from there, so which is a very nice shade if you want to get them. It is a nice Brazilian Caramel. It's a very nice brown sort of a shade, so I'm really loving it. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lips. The next step that I'm doing is completely optional, so I'm just taking a round brush, I'm spritzing some Fix Plus over there, and I'm taking the highlighter that we used earlier, and I'm just gonna pop this in my inner corner. You can totally skip this step if you want, but I just want to highlight my eyebrow and my inner corner, so I'm just putting that color here and here. You can totally skip this step if you want, and if you want to keep this step, you can definitely can. So we are done with the makeup look. Okay, so with that we come to an end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video and learn something from this, and to be honest, love the makeup look that I created, because I personally love my look that I've created on myself, and I'm really happy with how it has turned out. You can totally switch on the products if you want, whatever product suits you. You can totally change the lip shade if you feel so, but I feel this is a very nice neutral glam for a festive season. And obviously we added a bindi at the last because it's Indian festival, and no Indian festival look is complete without a bindi. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoy and learn something, and if you did, do not forget to like this video and share, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video next week. Till then, take care, be safe, bye everyone.